guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you could tell I'm feeling under the weather, it's because I am. My body wants me to get sick, but I don't want to get sick, so I have been drinking so much tea. Refuse to believe I'm sick. I'm taking care of myself like as well as I can. I have like the most giant Sephora haul ever. They gave me a huge bag and I do have a lot of stuff, but I took a lot of it out of the box because it's me and I got excited and I started trying everything out. Whatever. Oh, and if I didn't mention, my name is Ari. If you would like to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, that's where I am the most active. I do have a Twitter and I do have Snapchat, but I never use it right now. Okay, let's do it. I told you I took it out of the box. I got two of my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundations. I got the color Y225, which is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and then I got Y405. I've been freelancing more, so I need more colors for my kit, and the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation is one of the best foundations that I've ever used. A lot of my clientele in the area typically are between these two color ranges, so those are the two that I grabbed. This foundation makes your skin look so smooth, airbrush, and I think it photographs so beautifully. The next product I got is going to be one of my new staple products in my everyday makeup or skincare routine. It is the Sephora. I had the French side and I'm like, what? Here's the English side. Sorry guys. Sephora Cleansing Oil in Balm. It's a 3-flower waxes. So this breaks down all of my makeup. It smells so good, and it also has a little scooper, and then you take it out and it's almost like a cleansing balm, but it smells like Skittles and flowers, and it takes off all of my makeup. I've always used cleansing oils and I've tried other cleansing balms that just burn my eyes. This doesn't. I have the most sensitive eyes in the world. It takes off all of my mascara, it takes off my brows, it takes off everything. The next product I got is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask that helps cleanse out your pores, keeps your pores looking nice and as minimized as possible, and it keeps your pores clean. I use it about 1 to 2 times a week and it keeps my skin nice and clear, and if I do have a breakout, I'll just apply this as an overnight spot treatment and it usually is gone within the next day or dried out. I used to hate it because I thought it made me break out, but it really just kind of did like a purging and took everything out. So as long as you're consistent using it, you should see great results. The next products I got were pretty bougie, but they are so good. It is the Drunk Elephant TLC Glycolic Night Serum and then the C Firma Day Serum. This has evened out my skin tone and made my skin so smooth. It has really brightened my skin. It's helped my skin look a lot tighter, and it's also anti-aging because it's enriched with antioxidants. Anti. And the glycolic serum just smooths everything out. It helps with texture, any pores, acne. It does everything. Absolutely everything. So I try to do this like 1 to 2 times a week at nighttime, and I do this every day before my SPF. It sits well underneath my makeup. It doesn't feel like an extra layer. It doesn't make me oily nor dry. It's just a perfect serum. So I stocked up on my eye masks. These are my favorite eye masks. So they actually repackaged. So these were actually on sale. They literally repackage these every year, I feel like. I'm like, Sephora, get it together, man. I got the Orchid Eye Mask, which is anti-aging and smoothing. And then I got the Lotus, which is moisturizing and soothing. The Rose is ultra moisturizing and brightening. And I also picked up the Avocado, which is nourishing and repairing. I love the shade of green. Isn't it just so beautiful and spring-like? Literally, I just picked it up because I love avocados and I love the color. Oh my god, my voice is like, eh. Don't be mean in the comments telling me I sound gross, because I know I do, I'm sorry. I'm drinking a latte too, which is probably not the best thing, but it has cinnamon in it, so I'm hoping that that'll boost my immune system. It's an anti-inflammatory, so hopefully it helps my throat. So the next product I got is the Sephora Aloe Vera Face Mask, and I also got the Sephora Watermelon After Sun Mask. The reason I got these was because I felt like they would be really soothing, because if you guys didn't know, I've been getting laser facials. So it's called the Clear and Brilliant. It helps with everything. It's like anti-aging, helps with your pores, it helps with acne, redness. So I had my first session a couple weeks ago and it burned. I have had laser hair removal like I've mentioned, and that didn't hurt, but when it came to my face, I had little stress balls that the nurse gave me and I was just squeezing them for dear life. I was like, this is horrible. So I do have face masks. They give you a honey sheet mask to use after, but I found that these work better for me and they're more soothing. So I keep these as backup after I do those facials, since I do it every month or so. The next thing I got is the lavender foot mask. So this is from Sephora collection. I love these. I think they smell so good, and I try to do foot masks every once in a while when I do want to do like an extra pamper. I literally have like fuzzy socks on right now. I totally recommend investing in the foot masks from Sephora collection or any of their face and eye masks. They are my favorite brand and I just love them. They feel so bougie. And there's a lot of like Korean skincare too that I like to look at. They're kind of pricey, like they cost even more than these masks, so I'm like, I might as well get the Sephora ones. But if you guys have any recommendations other than Tony Moly, which I have tried and I really like, let me know. I like Boscia too, actually. I really like Boscia, but they're kind of pricey. So I got some hair stuff too. I'm gonna make a video on my hair care routine and like what I do after the shower, because if you guys didn't know, I have like super curly hair that I've been trying to grow out since high school. Mind you, that was a while back. That was like 6 years ago, and this is like the longest that my hair has grown, which isn't even that long considering the fact how long I've been trying to grow it. But coconut oil has helped tremendously. I've been using it for about 1.5 years and my hair like legit grew like this much. So coconut oil is my tried and true. That's definitely gonna be in my hair care. So I picked up 2 of the Dry Bar hairsprays. I picked up the Money Maker, which is a flexible hold hairspray, and I picked up the Sheriff, which is a medium hold hairspray. I lose the caps for everything, so please don't mind that. Sorry. I love these. I usually use the medium hold when I wear my hair up or to tame my flyaways because I have a lot of them. And then I like to use the flexible hold Money Maker to hold my curls for like 2nd or 3rd day hair and make it look nice and shiny. Or if I need to do like a messy tousled look and I don't want my hair to feel crunchy, the Money Maker is very nice. But the Sheriff keeps your hair in place for like 3 days. I'm just saying. The next 2 products I got were from Living Proof. I got their dry shampoo and their Frizz Nourishing Oil. This I've tried before and I'm just kind of getting sick of my Philosophy Amazing Grace dry shampoo. I swear by that, it's amazing. But I sometimes feel like because of the scent, it kind of overpowers my fragrance. So I want something that's more of a neutral scent, so I picked this guy up. It also really helps make my hair feel clean. And the Frizz Nourishing Oil is the best oil I've ever tried. Like, it's better than The Way, it's better than Bumble and Bumble. I've tried so many other oils and this stuff is so good. Mind you, I have thick, dry, coarse hair. So for me, if I put oil, my hair absorbs it right up. I only use the tiniest bit, so this stuff is gonna last me so long. Good stuff. The other product I got for after the shower is the Living Proof Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate. So this provides heat protectant for up to 450 degrees, which is super high, and it states that it cuts blow dry time in half, which is why I wanted to grab it. I do blow dry my hair for the most part because I do shower at night, or if I do shower in the morning, I usually have work later in the day, so I'm not going to be able to go to work with wet hair. It's not presentable. So I do work in an office, so I must look decent. And this guy really helps with just blow dry my hair quick and easy. It's very thick. Just a little goes a long way. If you have very thin hair, maybe 1 pump of this and just through the ends and maybe towards the front of your hair, and you can literally blow dry it straight with a brush, or you can just comb it through as you blow dry it. That's what I do, and it leaves my hair nice, soft, wavy, and frizz-free. I didn't realize how much hair products I got, but another hair product I got is the Bumble and Bumble Scalp Detox. So it's a fizzing foam that helps remove impurities and products built up. So I would recommend doing this maybe once every couple of weeks or once a month. So you know how sometimes you wash and wash and wash your hair and you still have like residue, it doesn't feel like your hair is actually clean, and it's a very interesting texture. So it's actually a foam, and then when you put it in your scalp, you actually press it in. So listen. So it has a micro bubbles. So while I was doing that, the bubbles will kind of like help pop, and as you're hearing that sound, you're basically scrubbing everything from your scalp and bringing it upwards. It felt dry for me for a little bit because I was like, so clean that I was really surprised. And also, the product that I use to wash my hair is the On The Rocks Dry Bar Charcoal Clarifying Shampoo. I'm really prone to like oiliness and I have really dry scalp, so I always use charcoal, and I use these two together and it was way too much. This stuff definitely does cleanse out my scalp and I only use a little bit. I'm not too sure how I feel about it. I've tried cheaper shampoos that I feel like kind of do the same thing, so I may try another charcoal-based shampoo. If not, try another brand that helps with buildup, because I'm not too convinced on this guy, but this guy, it works, guys. And my hair was clean for like a week. I know that sounds disgusting, but my hair looked like I had just washed it the day before, every day for a week. I was shooketh. The last hair care product, I'm sorry, I did not realize I grabbed that much hair care stuff, is the Living Proof Restore Shampoo. So it reverses dryness and damage for visibly healthy hair. Stuff is bomb. Ever since I started using it, I feel like my hair is so much healthier. A little goes such a long way. I've been using heat in it too, and it's just, ooh. This is so good, smells so good, and I've noticed such a huge difference in the healthiness of my hair and the fullness of my hair, and I feel like it's been growing a lot faster, so this is good. The two skincare products I got was my Shiseido Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream. This is the best, most hydrating eye cream I've ever used in my entire life, and I love this stuff. If you have dry under eyes, get it, girl. It's so good, but it's super thick. Sometimes under concealer, I'm not a huge fan, but I do like to use it at night, and I usually like to use something more lightweight, like the Ole Henriksen Banana Eye Cream or the Sea Tango Eye Cream from Drunk Elephant. Those are super lightweight and wear well under makeup, so highly recommend those. And this guy at nighttime will keep my eyes super hydrated. Like when I'm not using this, I usually get my mom telling me, why are your eyes, what's that? Why is it so dry? And I'm just like, leave me alone. I need to restock. And the other product I got was the Supergoop SPF 50 setting spray. So this is like a setting mist setting spray. I know that summer and spring, well, spring's here, but summer's coming up. So I have also been doing the laser facials, and you're supposed to religiously be using SPF every 2 hours. So I just got the setting mist. I keep this in my car or in my purse, and I just spritz every 2 hours to make sure that I am well protected. I do it on my neck. Sometimes I'll do it on my arms because I also laser the hair on my arms. So, you know, just to be preventative. And finally, so we're doing makeup. So first product I'm going to show you is my Anastasia lipstick in Honey. It's a matte lipstick, and it's the color I'm wearing right now under a gloss. It's a beautiful, perfect nude, and it smells really good. It's very matte, but it's decently long wearing, and I love the color range in Anastasia's lipsticks. If you guys have time, definitely check them out at Sephora. A lot of good neutrals. The next lip product I got was the YSL Couture Matte Stain in number 23. First of all, let's just talk about the packaging. Like, you pull this out your purse, like, with your YSL. That's why I bought it partially. I was like, it looks so fancy. And the other reason is the formula and the applicator. So the applicator is actually this very interesting waved product that really, really helps pinpointing your Cupid's bow and lining your lips with it. And the color is the perfect lip stain that has a rose undertone without being super strong. It looks so natural. Perfect to keep in your purse, or if you're a quick woman on the go and just wants a quick wash of color, I highly recommend these. They are also extremely long wearing. They're pricey, but I really think it's worth it. A little goes a long way with this product, and you just forget you have anything on your lips. It's legit a watery stain. The next product I got was for my makeup kit, is the Tarte Under Eye CC Corrector. So this is in the color medium tan. This is one of the few under eye correctors that I found for more tan skin tones that actually helps counteract any really dark blue or purple or black under eyes. The other two products I got were Sephora Collection Glitter Eyeshadows. These are so pretty. So they are duochrome, and oh, they're gorgeous. So this has more of like blue and purple and red and pink reflexes. It's called Unicorn Dust. The other color I got was more of like a smoky gray, which I don't have. It's called Daydream, and I just love the color. The last product I got, finally, is the Benefit Hello Flawless Powder Cover-Up in Ivory. I hear Alex Garza talk a lot about it on her channel. She's, I think, one of my biggest inspirations as far as a blogger. I love her and Michael, and they just had a baby, and I've been following their entire journey from like when they first got their home, when they were like setting up for their wedding, and then she got pregnant and I totally cried and I was like, oh my god, I feel like I know them. But I'm a huge fan for them and for the both of them, and now 3 with baby Julian. Sorry, I'm super fangirling, but she talks about this powder and she's always talked about it in her videos, and she recently talked about it in a Sephora video saying that she highly recommends it, and I'm like, she talked about that like a year or 2 ago, and the fact she's still talking about it, I'm like, I need to pick it up. Why have I been sleeping on it? So I finally got it. Alrighty you guys, so that actually ends my Sephora haul. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. It was really nice sitting down and talking to you. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to follow me on my makeup or my personal Instagram if you would like to see more of my face. If you want to see my videos, you will probably have to click the notification bell because my videos never pop up on the subscription feed. You're gonna forget about me if you don't do that. I'm just saying. So you might as well click it. Thank you so much for watching, and I love all of you. And thank you for supporting me, and if you stay till the end, please let me know because that always makes me really happy to hear. And it's nice to know that you guys are okay with me rambling so much. Love you. Bye guys.